Welcome back, YouTube. Thank you all for tuning in. We are so grateful to have you guys back for another video. Please stay tuned. Please make sure that you're watching the whole videos because the best information is going to get dropped to you guys at the end. So if you're staying tuned, you're watching all the videos, you're subscribed to the channel, and you guys are active, you guys will get to see how much greatness is hid at the end of these videos. With that being said, please don't forget to like this video if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel, and comment and let us know how you guys feel about the content and what you want to see next. So I noticed that, you guys have been commenting, you guys want more and more Navy Fed videos, you guys like the Navy Fed videos. So I wanted to bring something Navy Fed out again, touch on, you know, Navy Fed, how I navigated through Navy Fed, what I like about Navy Fed, some of my dislikes about Navy Fed, you know, and, really talk about, these three cards, why I got them, what I like about each of them, and what I don't like about each of them. So, with that being said, I'm going to show you guys my Navy Federal setup, my Navy Federal, trifecta as they call it, because you're allowed to have three cards in Navy Federal. So I have the green, the cash rewards, the more rewards, and the flagship card. So the greatness out of these, these three cards, the flagship card is actually the last card that I got. I got the flagship card because it is a Visa signature. It's the premier card with Navy Federal. It is a travel card. It gets you 3 times points back on all transactions that are travel, and 2 times points back on all other transactions. So anywhere that you spend this card, you're going to get at least 2 times points back. If you're spending it on a travel, purchase, you're going to get that 3%. This card also comes with TSA pre-check or global entry for free. It also comes with a free year of Amazon Prime, as well as the other benefits that are on this card, that are in that term section that I always tell you guys to check out and make sure you're looking into. So definitely, check into this card if you want a travel card and you're dealing with Navy Federal. It's definitely got some great benefits. Like I always tell you guys, do your due diligence, but this is a great card to have. So the next card that I got, and this is the card that I tell everyone is more of your daily spending card. This is the first unsecured card that I got with Navy Federal, and it's this More Rewards American Express card. I always recommend this card to everyone. I love this card. It has so many great benefits. For being an everyday card, you get 3% at the gas station, 3% on groceries, and 1 times. I should be saying times, not percent, because it's a points card, but 1 times points on everything else. With Navy Federal, if you guys didn't know, points and percentage translates exactly 1 to 1. So if you have 50,000 points, then it's going to be $500. So they translate on a 1 to 1 ratio as far as getting points back versus a percentage. So both of these cards are great cards. I really like both of them. And then the last card that I had with Navy Federal is this cash rewards card. It is a MasterCard. I got this card as a MasterCard because I wanted to get the MasterCard benefits, and then once I get the credit limit increased on it, the World MasterCard benefits, it has a 1.5% multiplier on anything that you purchase, which is what makes it such a good card. Because if you go somewhere where they don't accept American Express, you can still kind of, redeem yourself with this card. You could always use your flagship if you had the flagship. Certain people like the Go Rewards in place of the Cash Rewards as your third card. But what I do like about it is because I typically use my More Rewards card more often. If I have a transaction that comes up and I don't have a lot of points on my flagship, and I just want to get the cash back quickly. I don't want to, worry about, the logistics of I'm losing, maybe 1%, which is a couple cents here or there. Instead of worrying about that, even though it's not the most financially responsible thing necessarily, but, to quickly redeem, you can use this cash rewards card, because with it, you can cash out as soon as you make the transaction. So you can make that transaction and get your cash back immediately. Versus the other two or other four Navy Federal cards, the secured card and the flagship, the More Rewards and the Go Rewards. On these cards, if you are trying to cash out, you have to cash out with at least $50. So you just want to think about that, is that, if you have these two cards, along with the cash rewards card, and say you use one of them very frequently, you use your More Rewards frequently, but you don't use your flagship frequently, you might not want to have to wait until you get, $50 back at 2%, because it's going to take you forever to cash that out. Whereas you can just get that cash rewards card and cash it out instantly. So, it's another, good little thing there. The one thing that, I really have found has been my pet peeve with Navy Federal, as far as having, two of their cards, is in their ecosystem, your cards can't, transfer points from this card to this card, or from, vice versa. So you're in a situation where, like I was saying, if you're not spending a lot on one of the cards, you have to wait until you do enough miscellaneous spend to cash out on that card. So sometimes, as far as taking advantage of that benefit, it can be a little bit rough. Whereas if you use one of the cards a lot, if you're using both of the cards a lot, say you travel a lot, but you also want to get that those dining points in, you also want to get those, gas points, supermarket points in, then you want to be able, to do it in a way that you're actually going to, at some point, see your investment, rather than it being dragged out and taking so long. It is always good. I do recommend to save your points, and then cash them out on something that you can enjoy, something to reward yourself. But if you do want to cash your points out quicker, then the best route that you could go is taking advantage of that cash rewards card. With that being said, I want to thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you smash that like button on the way out, and we'll see you guys in the next video.